Hi coaches! So I'm just here to do a little tutorial on how to make your propeller boat for week 4 session 2. Um, the first thing that you're going to need is our 2 popsicle sticks. These are actually really thin, so the thicker the better. The ones I used for my sample are this thick, and this works a lot better, it's a lot sturdier. So you get your 2 popsicle sticks, you get a glue gun, and you stick them together. I don't have a glue gun for sample, but you get the idea. Stick it together. The reason you need to use a glue gun and you can't use double-sided tape or Elmer's glue or Scotch tape is because it's going to lose adhesive when it's in the water. So it has to be a glue gun. Okay, stick it together. So you have 2, and then you're gonna get another 2 because you need 2 pairs. You stick that together, and then you're gonna take your glue gun and glue the popsicle sticks to the side of the boat. It has to be glued to the side such that there's about 3 or 4 inches left on top for your propeller, which I'll show you later. Once that's done, you get 4 rubber bands that you see here. Wrap them nice and tight along the sides where you glued it, like so. And then you're gonna get 2 more popsicle sticks. Again, this is my sample, but the thicker the popsicle stick, the better. And then you're gonna cut it such that it's a little more than half of the size of your regular popsicle stick. So this is my actual sample. See, it's a little more than half. Why? Because it has to be big enough to propel the boat forward, but small enough so that it doesn't hit the edge of your boat. Once you've cut that, you're going to cut the edges, so make sure that the edges are flat. And then get 2 rubber bands, put them against the middle of your propeller, and then you're gonna wrap the whole thing in duct tape. In the tutorial that I found, this was supposed to be glue gun, but I found that the rubber bands kept melting off, like it would just snap. So use duct tape or electrical tape, I guess would work too, and cover the whole propeller such that it looks like this. Okay, and then you're gonna put it against the edge of your boat, like so. Give me a minute. Okay, so that it has to be there in the middle, you see, and it's not touching the end. It's not touching the end of the bottle. And then to wind it up, you see this in the video, you just have to like twist it like I'm doing. You'll know that it's too close to the edge of the bottle if it hits it. So let's see. Yeah, too close. So I can move it up a little bit. Yep. And then wind it up again. Ta-da! And well, this should have a cap, but that is your propeller boat. Yay!